Bespoke Jitter Charts Summary. Congratulations, we have now created several bespoke data visualizations using a Jitter technique. These included the following: creating a jitter plot, creating a jitter bar chart, creating a jitter stack bar chart, creating a jitter circle chart, and lastly, my favorite, creating a radial jitter bar chart. Now, as we end this section, one word of caution: we use the random function, which is undocumented. That means that Tableau can remove this function at any given time. However, there are ways of generating a random number. The main thing though is that you had fun, that you picked up something new, and that you're excited to carry on and move on to the next section. So, look forward to seeing you there.